Asiana 2012 for the ground, continue taxi via Echo Uniform, proceed on to runway 24 left, and taxi eastbound, exit at Romeo.
We're going to back-to-back takeoffs, the A380s.
Yes, we also have Asiana Airlines A380 right behind, basically right behind the Korean Air A380.
All right, this A380 officially on at 24 left. Will now back taxi, backtrack.
American 986 visual for 24 right.
There is the Asiana A380. We'll be doing the exact same turn as Korean Air.
19640, LA helicopters, altimeter 3003 through LA Bravo Space to the menu route, maintain VFR 2005.
Like there, Scout 64, 71500 visual for rate.
Please clear 777, exit at Victor, cross 224 left, and then contact ground point 65.
Okay, cross 24 left at Victor and ground the other side, 3777.
Scout 5457, running 24 right, place left.
Going to right, Scout 5457.
Asiana now making that turn. Make a right-hand turn onto 24 left. Korean wasting no time, almost at the end of 24 left. This. Back to back, A380 back taxiing on 24 left. What are the things we've been witnessing here in the last year here at LAX?
Super traffic on the runway, taxi only runway 24 left, full length, line up and wait.
Yeah, running right over lane, running to full left to the Korean Air 018.
This is very interesting to witness.
Very.
We have the Lufthansa Queen touchdown on the south side.
Wow. Wow, look at that. The Queen landing on 25 left. All because of these two A380 Supers here on the north side.
Wow. Look at that. Lufthansa 456 landing on 25 left.
Wow.
Got 457, exit Victor, cross 24 left,
What
ground
a
point
sight,
65.
especially from high atop the Asiana.
Yeah.
Over ground point 65, 457.
Definitely king here on the north side here today.
November 2 Bravo, Fresh North 28 here, leaving Bravo 86 million for the Big Coast, contact Hawthorne Tower.
Wow, what a sight.
Market 986 left, first available, cross runway 24 left, and then ground point 65. No delay as you cross, traffic's going to wait for you.
Left available and cross 24 left over to ground. 165, recognize.
Rudy's got his camera out. I think I know what shot you're looking for. Two A380s lined up side by side.
Korean Air Show 18 Super on at Del Rey with 230 at 10 runway 24 left, good to take off. Asiana 201 Super, caution wait travelers, runway 24 left, line of away.
Alright, Korean Air Flight 18 heading back to Seoul now. Rolling down. 24 left.
Tower Delta 913, visual 24 right.
Delta 913, I tower 230 at 10 runway 24 right, Kirk left.
24 right, sir.
This is Korean Air Flight 18 Super taking off to Seoul on the A380.
Asiana 201 Super on at Del Rey with 230 at 14, that's 24 runway 24 left, that's 6.
Asiana 201 already cleared for takeoff.
Korean Air Show 18 Super, contact Southern approach.
Korean Air 018.
No caution wake turbulence either.
Just go.
Wow. All right, rolling down.
Charlie 49 CV5, let it just be a couple minutes for wake.
Roger.
Delta 913, I'm not sure if I told you, but caution wake travel Super A380 departing the airport.
That's a good one.
I 3606, Charlie Tower 230, let's bring up 24 runway 24 right, Kirk left.
Can't tell if it's hitting a little bit of that wake.
Asiana 201 Super, contact Southern approach.
Just amazing. Absolutely amazing.
I still can't believe the Queen had to go to the south side.
Yeah.